In today's video, I'm going to teach you Discord stop bots seeing channels. By the end, you'll know exactly how to hide a channel from a bot using the built-in permission controls in Discord. You'll need permission to manage channels or server roles to do this, and I'll walk you through it in a clear, simple way. First, open Discord in your browser or desktop app and sign in. Make sure you're in the server where you want to change things. From the left sidebar, click your server to open it. This ensures the channel list and settings you need are visible. Next, find the specific channel you want to hide from a bot. Click the channel to highlight it, then open its settings. On desktop, that's the gear icon that appears when you hover over the channel name. You can also right-click the channel and choose Edit Channel. This brings up all the controls for just that one channel. Inside the channel settings, go to the Permissions tab. This is where you decide who can see and use the channel. Think of it like a per-channel rulebook that can override broader server settings. Now look for the Roles Members area. You want to target the bot's role or the bot user itself. If the bot has a dedicated role, select that role. If not, add the specific bot user here so you can set custom permissions just for it. Selecting the correct target is important because these settings only apply to what you choose. With the bot role or bot user selected, scroll to General Channel Permissions. To stop the bot from seeing the channel at all, set View Channel to the red X, which explicitly denies it. That's the key setting. Once denied, the channel is invisible to that bot. If you also want to prevent any interaction in cases where it can still see the channel, you can deny things like send messages or read message history, but the main switch is View Channel. Make sure to save your changes if Discord prompts you. A few tips to avoid surprises. If the bot's role has administrator at the server level, channel level denies won't block it. Administrator bypasses channel rules. In that case, remove or adjust that permission on the bot's role before expecting this to work. Also, if your channel is inside a category that syncs permissions, remember that the category can push its settings down. You can either break sync and keep your custom rule or apply a similar deny to the bot at the category level. That's it. Repeat the same steps for any other channels or bots you want to restrict. Thanks for watching and happy server managing.